what you wanna do with your life now, 'cause all we really have is right now.
Well, this is a bummer. It took about 3.5, 4 hours to get to the spot, and the conditions are way worse than it looked on the report. So, on to the next one.
Got skunked.
You stink!
At the second spot as well. "38th parallel looks like a 6er spot."
Well, came down to the beach and had a closer look, and it turns out it is Closeout City. Does not look fun at all. So today is a wash, no biggie. Saw a taco restaurant down the street, so I'm gonna go get some tacos and call that a win. Woo!
Woke up today, took a little walk with Coda. First of all, we are by some wetlands. The best thing is I found this bathroom. When you walk in, the lights go on, and some lovely calming music as well. It smells of pine and toilet paper. This is the best find ever. And there's an air conditioner. Don't need it today though. It's turning out to be a beautiful day. Coda is enjoying the wetlands. So many things to sniff. Gonna go do a wave check and then pick up Eddie from the bus terminal. Yeah, buddy. Come work on Fridays.
Surfboard. She see me riding on my surfboard. You see me riding on my surfboard.
Let's go!
She see me riding on my surfboard. Get off my wave, surfboard. She see me riding on my surfboard.
Let's go!
You see me riding on my surfboard.
Get off my wave.
Super fun. Eddie got pitted.
Rip it.
This is where we surf. We just got here to check it out, and this barge has run aground, and there's a line that was attached to it out to that tugboat. I don't know if you can see the line in the water, but there's a line in the water, and they were trying to tow it out and they broke the line. But you can see there's still a couple surfers in the water.
Rip it, trick. Rip it, trick. I'm pulling in this.
I have been washed up on the shore, my bloody body left on the banks, hung out to dry inside my mind because step on this bold trek through the valley of the shadow of death. I realize somewhere deep inside of me there's gotta be something left.
Day 3. Beachfront parking. What's up, Yosh? I'm exhausted. Still fun.
What did she say?
JR.
What you say? What you say? Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it.
That's it. You wanna do some more shit? I'm sorry, but that's it.